Ish. Awususe lo mkhukhu wakho lapho. Yey! Yo wewe.
In the band, even you know where the danger is. You know where the danger is.
Man, it was my cousin's wedding, but when I pitched up, they said my cousin's sick, so I had to pitch in as the groom, yeah, but so it wasn't my wedding.
Our taxis are falling apart. Doors are falling. People are falling with the doors. The windows can't close. The driver is literally sitting on a piece of leather. The rest of the seat, it's just...
Ooh. It has been almost 23 months without seeing my wife and my children. It's very painful.
I heard that she's pregnant.
Okay.
Let me repeat this. Nizozwa kahle.
It has been almost 23 months without seeing my wife.
I heard that she's pregnant.
Okay.
There is something wrong somewhere. How?
Definitely, I'm here to enjoy life. I'm not here to suffer. I'm not here to